you're gonna give me that space, I'm gonna take that space. It is actually hot and I do not like that very much. Just get home. Best place for me to be right now is at the right side. It is currently 103 degrees. I don't feel it, honestly, but this temperature is not where you want to be on a motorcycle. Triple digits or high 90s. Mainly because if you don't drink enough water, don't hydrate, keep yourself cool, or if you're wearing the wrong gear, you are going to overheat and get heat stroke, and that is not a fun feeling. Like, I don't know. I don't think this is the ride to do it, or me actually talking about it while I'm operating. I know I could tell the story, it's just that it's not going to make much sense unless I actually like do it as an voiceover. But it's not fun. It really is not fun doing that. But I think I'll tell the story, just not this. Yeah, I'll tell the story, just not. Just not while I'm riding, because it isn't too good, honestly. Is that crap? No, it's just the fucking no, that is a crap. No, it's not. I'm going crazy. It's not a crap. It's a fucking like smudge mark. It looks like a crap. Ah! Me being mad. Miss my shift. Be happy. It's my life. Oh, it's a Meguru mix. What if I wanted to break, laugh it all off in her face? What would you do? What if I fell to the floor, couldn't take this anymore? What would you do? An accident happened not that far. Fuck. Bury me, I am finished with you. What if I wanted to write, beg for the rest of my life? What would you do? You say you want it, but what I'm wasting for? I'm not running from you. That's a bad accident, honestly. Please someone else, but nothing seems to change. I know now this is who I really am inside. Falling I'm looking everywhere except for on the left side, and like it feels like I'm missing motorcyclists heading west. Ah! Bury me, I am finished with you. I am like legitimately cooking right here. Like my legs, god, my fucking calf, even my ankles are cooking.